Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? Happy Cast Iron Wednesday. Got my pans out, got my meal plan. I'm going to be doing a patty melt, so you probably read the description. I'm making mine without onions though, because I think onions are just, I don't like the taste. I've never have, even as a little kid. Don't know why. I mean, there are some exceptions, like red mill makes a great onion ring, but it's the batter that makes the difference, not so much the onion. And those little fried onions, which I think I have some, but I'll have to check. They might be a little stale now, but let's get to work. I got some, I actually had to go and buy a loaf of rye bread because you got to make it on rye. And I got the ground beef in the refrigerator, so we'll get that out, get rolling. All right, some pretty simple ingredients. Deli rye, Swiss cheese, and 80-20 ground beef. And a nice crunchy camera. Yeah, and then some butter on the bun. I think I have some salad in the refrigerator I can put together as well. Gotta have my greens. Alright, so I'm gonna do, I think about a quarter of this, give or take. If it will come out. Wow, why are you gonna break apart on me? I don't have the regular burger patties, I just got the beef picked up at the store. Alright, let me get my pan going. Start heating that up. Just do a tiny bit of oil just to kind of get things started. Of course, I'm going to season my meat because I always do. A little bit of, probably a little too much paprika. Of course, I got the, basically it's the same ingredients I usually always use. I like to season my food. Garlic, got a little Worcestershire sauce. Throw that, a little bit of that in there. I thought it might taste good. A little salt. All right, so I just gave the meat a quick mix. If you're noticing the time, it's only 10:37. It's a little early for lunch, but early. I gotta swing by Costco Business Center today, and I want to pick up some more Monster Energy because I only have one can left. Now what I want to do is get this patty kind of formed down so it's about the size of the bread. So I should have used a cutting board, but that would have been clever. Well, this way I'm not having to dirty a cutting board, so get that. That might be good enough. Now, like I said, remember what I said, it's okay to smash it when it's raw, but not when it's cooked, because it's going to push out the juices. Alrighty. So I got my pan going, a little bit more salt on the burger, not too much. Like bread, cheese. I'm hoping that the burger, it shouldn't take that long to toast this. What I want to do is I want to put the bread in. I just got a little bit of olive oil on here, but I want to put the bread in here and kind of do a dry toast. And then I want to flip it over, add butter, and then grill it. And then add the meat and cheese, and it should all come together. But if by dry grilling the bread a little bit on top, hopefully the burger patty won't soak up. All the juice from the burger won't soak up into the bread and make it all soggy. That's the hope. Go ahead and give this meat a flip. Looking nice. Looking real nice. Oh yeah, that looks quite good. Sweet. So you can see that, well, this one's a little bit better, but the bread's starting to toast up. Let me go ahead and pull this out for a moment and add my butter. Got a few toast crumbs in there, but shouldn't affect anything. Because I don't run the heaters in my house, and today is 23 degrees. My butter is still a little stiff, so I wouldn't be able to spread it on the bread without destroying it. It might be a little too much butter, but get these butter side down. Go cheese, and cheese. We're going 3 slices today because we're gonna splurge on the cheese. Oh yeah. Using a cutting board because actually all my plates are in the dishwasher, which I just ran before I left. What I want to do is I want to rotate these around a little bit. They're growing up nicely though. Some burger patties looking real good. Kind of just wiping it off as I use it. Oh yeah. Burger's probably pretty close to being done. Oh crap. A little dark on me. I had to pull that off of there real fast. Drain the juices off. You know, it's 80-20 ground beef. I mean, what are you gonna do? The bread was starting to get a little dark. I must have had it up too high. Here's a close up of this. So we got. It's not too dark. It was just getting dark. And the bottom looks real good. So. Perfectly cooked. See if I can. Let's see if I can get a. See if that'll show up. So there we go. Let's do a taste. Right, there's a close-up shot. 1 penny melt with no onions. Probably a really simple one this week, but cheers. Oh yeah, that's a good sandwich. It's funny how I don't eat a lot of rye bread, but that caraway seeds really make an impact. Well, there you go. The verdict is delicious. Easy to do too. It's probably a real quick cast iron Wednesday, but you know, what are you gonna do?